Luke and Alice are going to tell us what they learned from this project. Okay, who go first?
I'll go first.
All right.
So basically what I've learned from this project was how to use the flip-flops. You can see these two chips right here, how to use them to be able to count up from 0 to 7. I also learned how to pick a specific number from where it could start, like 2, 1, 3, and also how to make it stop at a certain number, either 6, just depending on what I choose.
That's what you learned.
Yep, that's what I learned. Using the output of this 7-figure, I forgot the name of it.
Can you show us how it works?
How it works? Yeah.
Use the TV because it's brighter.
Use that or this?
This.
This. So basically, clock signal goes from here into, I put it down here, goes into the first flip-flop. This flip-flop then goes into the second flip-flop. From here, it goes into this 7-figure, this chip right here. This chip is what tells this what to output, right?
Okay. Could you run it now?
Yeah, it is running. As
It's
you can
running?
see. Yeah, so I decided for it to start at 2. So as you can see, it starts at 2, and I decided it ends at 5 instead of 6 or 7, or it starting at 0 or 1.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
you
it's-
stop the number at 5 and start the number
At 2. Yes, correct.
Okay, thank you.
So that's how it works.
All right, Luke, do you want to make up something?
Yeah, so we learned how to use all these chips to create numbers that go up and down. Same thing as Alex was saying, either you can start at a certain number and end at a certain number, and that number is decided by you. And so the circuit, it does 2 to 6 instead of his 2 to 5. So can turn
Do
that
you
on.
feel comfortable with wiring this thing?
Yes, I do. It's a little bit of a pain because the breadboard's really tight, but I feel comfortable doing it.
All right. So you learn how to wire a counter. Is that what you say?
Yeah, this isn't terribly difficult to do. So, but yeah, wiring it can be a little bit of a pain because it's pretty close, but I feel very comfortable doing it, so.
Okay, this is the one you learned from. And what the second one?
The second one is, well, making the circuit, so making it do all the things that I tell it to do. So, and using the logic gates and, I'll point to here. The logic gates.
The
and
logic
these.
gate there, and compared to the multisum, where it is?
Yeah, so it's right here. It's the AND gate, or it's NAND gate. And so it tells these two chips to either it'll stop at 6, or I think this one's actually 5, and it'll start at 2 or 5. Or
Okay.
2 and 0. Well, any numbered.
Okay, what do you learn from the driver and the 7 segment?
Yeah, so we learned how to use this in an actual circuit because we don't have this in real life. So we have to use this to transfer the signals from here into this. Instead of just using a 4 segment, we have to use a 7 segment. So we actually got to use this like in real life and not just simulating it.
In the real life, we
With,
do
yeah, it's
use
this chip
this
right
chip.
here. Yeah, it's this chip right here.
Okay, we do have that chip. All right, what else?
I think that's about it.
That's all?
I think that's all.
All right, thank you.